Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make calendar for New Year. So let's get started. So first, we will need a green paper and we are going to fold it something like this. Now let's cut it. Now we have cut one piece. Like this, you have to cut 12 pieces. In every piece, mark 1.5 inches and write the days of the week and write the numbers too. I'm using blue sketch pen to color them. Now I have made the 12 months. Now let's paste it on a big chart paper. Now let's make a Ganesha. So first I have drawn a Ganesha. Now I'm going to color it with the help of sketch pen. If you want, you can also color it with oil pastel or normal crayons. We are going to make his body from yellow color and his dhoti from blue color and his cap from pink color. I'm using brown color for the plate and orange for the laddu. And fluorescent for the top of the topi. Now black for the eyes and orange for the body. And dark blue for his dhoti. Now Ganesha is ready. Now let's make a flower. First, cut a square piece and fold it something like this and cut the excess. Now the flowers are ready. Let's stick it on a calendar. This is the view of the calendar. Now I have written the holidays. It's optional. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked, please like, share and subscribe, and Happy New Year to all of you.